Hi guys, welcome back for another video. So today's video I will be doing this Valentine's look. These are kind of my colors. These are the colors that I personally like to wear. So yeah, if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so we are going to start with the eyebrows, and I will be taking the It Cosmetics brow pencil in Universal Taupe. And this is my first time using this brow pencil. It's actually really good. I got it in my Boxy Charm. So yeah, it worked out really good. Taking my MAC Cosmetics concealer palette, and I will be carving out my eyebrows with that. And then I will be taking the this brush. I'm not sure where I got it from, but I love this brush to carve out my eyebrows. And then I will be taking the BH Cosmetics to blend that out. And yeah, if you like to see an eyebrow routine, let me know. Okay, so now I'm gonna set my eyebrows, and I will be taking the Benefit Ready Set Brow. I love this to set my eyebrows. It works just fine. So yeah. So now I'm gonna prime my eyes, and I will be taking the Urban Decay Potion Primer and just blending that out to help my eyeshadow stay in place. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to eyeshadow, and I will be taking the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette Edition, and I actually took the shade Shy. I don't know why I pointed out to the Flamingo shade, but I also will be going into the Flamingo shade later on through the video. So taking Shy into the crease, I will be blending that out on the crease, and yeah, this shade is really nice. It really popped out, and it really helped all my eyeshadows look really nice and seamless. Okay, so now taking the Flamingo shade, like I said, I pointed that out earlier, not sure why, but anyway, so I took that shade into the crease and just started blending that out as well. Um, and I did kind of use the halo method, and yeah, that shade is also really pretty, and yeah. Okay, so now I will be taking the shade Bossy, because I'm bossy. But yeah, anyway, so I will be taking that in, and I'm gonna deepen up the crease. Moving on to the shade Cocoa, now I'm gonna deepen up the crease a little bit more, just so I can have that contrast of the brighter pink and the darker browns. It turned out really nice, so yeah. Moving on to the shade Angelic from the Huda Beauty palette. This shade is really pretty. I did use MAC Fix Plus to make that bright and vibrant. So yeah, but it's a really nice shade. Moving on to eyeliner, I'm taking my Inglot in number 77. This is like my all-time favorite eyeliner. I did struggle a little because it's drying up a little, but I do recommend that you can use some oil drops or just anything to make it more creamier. And yeah, and now I'm just gonna curl my lashes with my Revlon curler lash, and now I'm using the Tarte mascara, which I also got in my BoxyCharm, I believe, last month, or no, I don't know, I can't remember. Now I'm taking the Dr. Brandt luminizer, and I also got that in my BoxyCharm, which is really, really nice. If you guys have not tried BoxyCharm, you should. It's a really nice subscription box. If you'd like to see a video on that too, let me. So taking my corrector, my LA Girl corrector in the shade orange, I will be using that to just brighten up my under eyes. I get really bad dark circles. So now I'm gonna move on to foundation, the L'Oreal True Match foundation, and just taking my beauty blender to blend that out. Like always, I love the beauty blender. Um, I don't know how people can use brushes, but I just love the beauty blender. It's my favorite thing to use. And I am taking some more foundation on the spots that it didn't cover, so just going in there and covering that up. And then now I will be taking my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea concealer, and also love this stuff. And yeah, just brightening up the eye area and the nose and just anywhere where you need to brighten up. So now I'm gonna contour and taking the Wet n Wild contour stick. I love this stuff, you guys need to try this. It just blends out really good, and I don't know, I just love it. And yeah, then just taking my brush to blend that out. So now I'm gonna set my under eye area. I'm taking the Patrick Star by MAC Cosmetics setting powder, and I love this stuff. This stuff is really good. So yeah, and then moving on to the Kylie Cosmetics Cocoa palette, I'm taking the bronzer from the palette to bronze up my face, and that's pretty much it. And then I'm gonna go in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm gonna contour with that palette. Okay, going back to the Kylie Cosmetics Cocoa palette, and I will be taking the blush that's on that palette and just gonna put that on my cheeks, and then moving on to the Anastasia Glow Kit. I'm not sure what glow kit is that one, but yeah, I'm just using that kit, and then I'm moving on to my eyes. I will be taking the Rimmel in the shade Nude, I think, the Rimmel eyeliner pencil, and then I will be going into the Huda Beauty palette and then just using the same shades that I used previously. Then I will be taking that under my waterline, and yeah, and just blending that out. I will also be taking the Tarte Cosmetics mascara and then moving on to lashes. These are the Blinking Beauty and the Style Coquette, I believe. And yeah. Okay, so taking this L'Oreal Infallible eyeshadow, it's in the shade Ice Latte. This is a pretty shade. I really enjoy using this for my inner corner. And now we're going to move on to the lips. I will be taking MAC Strip Down, and moving on, I will be using the Cocoa liquid lipstick in the shade Bunny, and then I will go in with the gloss. This is in the shade Sugar Plump, and then yeah, that pretty much completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So that completes this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat also, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye.